Okay.
Hi,
Hi,
sir.
Parth. Hi, Parth. Hi, Ariman.
Hi,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
How are you?
All great, all great. So Parth, starting with you, how is your revision going on?
So my revision is going well, I think.
Okay. Have you downloaded all the notes files which I have sent on the drive?
So I haven't downloaded them, but I'm just viewing them from the drive only.
Okay, okay, fine, no worries.
Yeah.
All right. So now Aryaman is
But I
also
won't be able to open my camera today. I'm having a network issue.
okay, fine. Okay, Saksham, hello, good evening.
Hi, sir.
All right. So Aryaman is also here. Aryaman. All right. So I'll start with you, Aryaman. So Shaurya hasn't come yet. So Aryaman, you have sent me. Wait, let me check. Where are your doubts? So Aryaman, you have sent me two doubts, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first doubt is the egg question. Okay, 1 second. All right. So Aryaman, this is what you had sent me. So read it out and explain your doubt.
So the doubt was like, how do we say that in the situation why n is bigger than mg? Like
Mm-hmm.
if something bounces, then like the force of the impact can be converted into kinetic energy.
Mm-hmm.
It's converted, and if something does not bounce, the energy is absorbed in like through sound or whatever is produced or
Okay.
into the ground. I'm not understanding why we say n is greater than mg, even if it like
Okay. Let's understand in detail. So imagine we have a ball which is falling towards the ground. So Aryaman, what are the forces acting till the time it is in the air?
just mg.
Yes, let's ignore air resistance, so only mg, right? Now consider a situation when it is making a contact with the ground. Let's say it hits the ground. So what will be the forces acting on the ball over here?
mg and n.
Mg is downwards and normal reaction is upwards.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. So I had suggested that the value of n should be greater than mg. So Aryaman, why did I suggest that in the first place?
Because the ball can't bounce if it is not greater than mg. Because only two forces are there,
Okay.
so n has to be greater than mg, otherwise the ball
Okay.
won't bounce.
Let's consider two situations. The ball is bouncing and the ball is not bouncing, right? So if the ball is bouncing, so Parth, explain. What about N and mg? Which one will be greater?
If the ball is bouncing, then n should be greater than mg.
Okay. If the ball is bouncing, obviously N should be greater than
Yeah,
mg. But if the ball does not bounce, then
n should be equal to mg, right?
why will that be? Acha, that is the doubt of Ariman. This is it, right, Ariman? If you're saying if the
Yes,
ball
sir.
is not bouncing, N and mg should be equal. So let's consider that and let's work our way backwards. Assume N is equal to mg. So Ariman, what will be the net force acting on the ball?
Zero then.
It will be zero. If the net force is zero, then tell me what will be the acceleration of the ball?
Also zero then.
Zero. If acceleration is zero, which means what will happen to the velocity?
It would
Zero
not change.
acceleration. Yes, velocity is
Oh, okay,
constant,
sir.
right? So do you think the
Oh, okay.
velocity
Okay, yes,
is
sir.
right? So that is why it doesn't matter bouncing or does not bounce, N is always greater than mg.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Got it. So,
That's the key. Okay.
so why can't mg be greater than n when it doesn't bounce?
If mg is greater than n, then the net force will be downwards, isn't it, Parth? So which
Then it would
means the
create like a
ball is
hole kind of
actually,
thing.
huh, could you repeat?
Then would it create like a hole or something?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Then the ball will just go into the ground and create a hole. Well,
Okay,
that
so yeah.
that of course is not happening.
Yeah, got it.
So
So.
that is why for most IB questions, n is considered greater than mg. Doesn't matter the ball is bouncing or not bouncing. Okay, so next, Arman, you have sent the second doubt. Oh, good doubt. Let me show you the question. All right, so Arman, this is the doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
Please read out the entire question.
The body initially at rest and sliding along a frictionless track from height h completes a vertical circle of diameter d.
The
Height
height
h.
is equal to. Fine. So now to solve this question, we are going to use a shortcut because I have explained the long form answer in the circular motion chapter. So all of you need to go back to the circular motion file. This is the screenshot from that. Look at the title, minimum speed to complete the loop, and remember the shortcut. This is the key. So minimum speed with which the object should be launched at the bottom should be root of 5gr. Remember this as a rule to solve the questions. Root 5gr. So now Arman, coming to this question. The height of the track is given as h. Now they have said we need to complete a vertical circle, which means according to the concept which you just learned, velocity should be square root of 5gr at the bottommost point. Only then it is going to complete the circle. So Arman, makes sense.
Yeah, yes.
And after you get that, can't you just like
The
get
mgh is equal to that.
Yes, exactly. Do that right now. So
you can
equate
just use
the
the law
energy.
of conservation of energy.
Yes. So consider the topmost point as T and the bottommost point is A. So equate the energies and tell me what will be the height. Let me also write. Energy at the top will be equal to energy at bottom.
MGH is
Maybe
equal to
at
half
top
mv square.
equals staying on bottom.
Pardon, Saksham.
Nothing.
MGH is half mv square and the V value is root of 5gr. M will get cancelled out. So let's see what do we get. And we need to make h as the subject. So we will get 5r by 2, which can be written as 5d by 4 because radius is diameter by 2. Check. Aramon, are you getting option D?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. That is why all you need to remember is the shortcut.
There's
Minimum
the
speed.
formula mentioned in the data booklet.
No. It is not there. That is why you should remember it. If it comes in an MCQ, if it comes in a descriptive based question, then we need to do the entire thing because then the question will be 4 marks at least.
Okay, sir.
But for MCQ, use the shortcut. All right. So Ariman, you had only sent me 2 routes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next, let me come to Shaurya. Okay, Shaurya, you have sent me so many routes. Okay. Let's see. Question number 1. One sec. Let me put up the screenshot. Okay, so Shaurya, first of all, we have done this question in class. So tell me your query in this.
So I forgot what we did in the class, like the discussion we had. That's why I just put this question over here.
Okay. So
The answer is A,
explain.
right?
1 and 2, yes, it is A. So Shaurya, I want your approach. How did you start it?
So like I know the answer is A because like third statement we know that the total momentum is going to be
Yes.
equal. So and option B, C, D all have like the third
Correct,
option.
correct.
So it has to be option A. But I
Yes.
don't know what the logic is for like making
Okay.
statement 1 and 2 correct.
Fine. So it's given a rocket is launched vertically. So watch, Shaurya, look at the diagram. A rocket is launched vertically, and at the highest point, see, it is clearly mentioned, maximum height. That is where the rocket is broken into 2 pieces. Let's